Here's an old poem, but you may remember the event that caused this. The poem is called hashtag Never Again. Hashtag Never Again. Hashtag Never Again. The students chant. Chanting for the 17 that went down. Grief swelling in their guts. Fear still runs deep. Adults in power giving platitudes and why nots, hoping they will soon tire and go away. Kids recognizing the enemies of change, the gods of hashtag re-election, the power of the hashtag NRA, the immobility of the hashtag status quo, the stink of hashtag big money in politics. But our gun owners sitting in their safe homes, willing to give up guns for student lives? Or shall they demand their rights and the students be damned? Hashtag the sacred rights of gun owners. Kids marching all in step, feeling their cause is just, reaching out on March 24th, trying to be the agent of change, the cause for hope, and no less than the saviors of our democracy. Hashtag back the kids for change. Row, February 2018.